Just to promote your life, from my life.